Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute gift card holder by Geek Chic fabric. It's super cute and fast. It takes maybe 5 minutes to make, and all you need is the panel. They have the panel. All you have to do is cut it out and a plastic cam snap. And I made two of them, and in the panel there is five. And this one is the Christmas version, and it's super cute and super reusable. So when you give it to somebody, they can save it, give it to somebody else. And also, if you're going out and you just need one card, like your license, you can just put it in here, and that will be it. And you can even add a little clip in here to hold it. It's super easy and fast to make. First, we're going to take our piece, our long piece, and we're going to fold it in half, matching the print. And if your cutting wasn't completely straight, it might not match completely, but that's okay. And you will pin the side, all your raw edge side. And you will sew right here, and you will leave about 2 inches to 3 inches wide. You can leave it right here or right here. Right here, you just need to leave a hole so you can turn your piece, and you will sew all the way around your raw edge and leave about 2 inches wide. Now we'll take our piece and we're going to sew all the way around, and don't forget to leave your 2 inches wide space so you can turn your piece. I do the bottom first, and now I'm going to continue and leave my space right here so I can turn my piece later. Make sure you back stitch at the beginning and at the end. And after you're done, you can trim your corners so that it can lay flat. Your piece will lay flat. Now we're going to turn our piece. Careful not to poke your seam out. Now I'm going to iron my piece flat. And now we're going to take it to the machine and we're going to sew all the way, we're going to top stitch all the way around. And where you had your, where you left your hole, make sure you catch both pieces while top stitching. This is what your piece should look like. And now you're going to fold it again. And you're going to sew in the side. Remember to back stitch at the end and beginning. And to finish it up, we'll add a cam snap, plastic cam snap. And this is your card holder. Okay, so here's another way you can do this one. Before you top stitch everything, you can just fold it over. And pin. And you can start up here and you can sew all the way here to sew those two pieces together and continue top stitch all the way down and sew all the way down. So you will not do the folded edge. You will just do all this edge where it's folded and the top and the triangle, and you will also sew this piece, and by sewing this piece together you'll be able to close the hole that you left to turn your piece. And this is another way you can do this one. Now we're gonna get ready to add our plastic snaps. I have my plastic snaps, the female and the male portion, and the top, and a plastic top, and this little thing to poke a hole. I'm just going to poke a hole right at the center. You can measure it or you can just eyeball it. Make sure it's not too close to the end right here, so when you have your snap, it doesn't fall off. But I will poke a hole in there. Then I will fold it over and mark where the other hole needs to be. You can just stick your pencil in there and mark where the other. And now you will open it and poke under the hole where your marking is. And now we're going to add our snap. And now, oh, card holder, it's all ready to go. And we will do the same for this one. Poke your hole. Got to mark my other hole. And if you forgot to mark your other hole, like I almost did, sometime you can try to poke it and make a dent. And sometimes you'll be able to make a dent to it where you can attach. You can mark it. Be careful not to poke your other side, the other side of your card. And you're all done with your custom gift card holder. Hi everybody. Thank you for making this little card holder with me. Hope you enjoy making it and that you make many and many of it. And if you want to follow for more, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.